What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing the new I Am Cat update and my game's crashing. So let's go here, multiplayer. Hopefully it doesn't crash again.
Drop the mega phone, drop the mega phone. I did it!
Yo, chat! No. I am Steve! Chicken
Help, please!
What the heck is this? Oh wait, this is Steve Brown. Hey you! Venus boy! Ha!
Wait, that was talking to me. I see you. I'm on the phone. Hello, people. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah, I can. Help me! Alex, help me! Help! I found you!
No! How do you stop grabbing?
Okay. Oh yes, I can. Ryan, where are you?
Slides? I love them.
I see you, buddy. You better one chicken.
Cannonball! Yo!
Everybody,
you! Tag!
What?
Why am I being weird? But it's so loud in here.
How could you?
Is this the only log? Is this the only map you can play multiplayer? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. I got yippee!
One v one dart. Wait, dart? I'm immortal! Immortality!
Ooh, arrow.
Wait, run the ball. Hello? Yeah. I don't know.
Penguin! Yo, purple dude! Tag!
I think I go heaven.
One.
No. I'm not behind you.
One hat. Stay close. Densely jump. Densely. Want to go back?
Let's hug. Hello. No.
Everyone be like,
It doesn't work.
Oh my god. You're a cheetah, not a cat.
Bro.
I'm a cheater cat.
Bro.
Let's
Go to main menu real quick. I want to see if they added wardrobe. Let's see if they added anything. Eyes. Whoa. That is massive. Got these eyes. I need to be saving my money. Equip these claws. Dang! I want to get these. I don't want to buy a pack. Watches. Any watches, please? I don't like these ones. I want that one. Fur. Buys. Everything. I have to buy a pack. Hats. What about hats? Any new hats? Nope. Okay, let's exit. And we're gonna play multiplayer a little bit. Let's go to single player. And I think they had new levels. Let's see. Where is it? Butcher store. Let's see. Let's see. If you're happy and you know it's got experience. If you're happy and you know over here. You cleared all these missions. Busier now. Bruh. No new maps. Well, might as well just maybe money. How money? No. Hey boy. Alright, let's go. Surprise. Go to secret room. What is this? Oh. Bruh. Alright, I think they're adding new maps, but this multiplayer is a big thing. And I just exited the game.
will Chip Place come to the front?
These are my evil eyes, because I'm feeling evil. Thank you.
What?
Where are you?
No!
Dude, you crunched your neck. It's mine.
Will Dragon come to the microphone?
No!
No!
Come here, never catch
We are waiting.
What are you doing here? Red stinks. He smells like poo. Yeah, he stinks like poo. Red, that guy over there with the cow hat or parrot hat smells like poo.
I'm out of here.
What's going on? Can you a sword? Bet.
Yo, bro. Yeah.
No! Ooh, basketball
You gotta be
court.
kidding me. Help me! I can't always land on your feet! I need you!
How do I play? Where's the bell?
Finally!
Where's the ball?
Here, I'll help you.
Me Things are moving.
It's almost out. It's out. There you
You
go.
shall not go.
Wait. Yeah, there you go.
How do we play? Where's the ball?
I got a whole dagger for you.
Where's the ball? Ted, it's always stealing the ball.
Numbnuts.
I repeat.
I know you're up here.
Chip, please.
No.
Right here. Look down, stupid. Hello. Right.
Hey, that's my dagger.
Shut up. I'm gonna stab you. Damn. Don't get me.
What the heck is it? Why'd you explode the room? I'm going to sleep.
I'm close. What are you happening? I'm out here. No way. You like my guy? I made it. I just made it. I'm just trying to
Yeah, you get.
I just
Take the L, take the L. My tuna.
This is the love of us. I watched this. I want to make this.
Well, I have the logo out.
I got the fattest tuna ever.
Attack on Titans?
Yo, chat. Chat, I got tuna.
Oh no.
I got tuna.
Die Fisch und Chocolate.
Who wants this fish? Who wants fish? Where'd my fish go?
The fish. Fish power.
Where wants the fish? No.
How about I take you with my club? I'm gonna give you the granny special, boy.
I see you.
I'm giving you the
Nom,
granny
nom, nom.
special.
No! Help me! Someone help me!
Fish.
Don't think you can run. No, I'm not scared anymore.
Bruh, the thing isn't moving.
You better get me cut up. I'm about to be sick. Die, God damn it! Die!
One, two,
One, two, three. Oh, this is so
What
easy
is
to get up
here?
there. Baloo! Pick the phones up!
Weapons.
Pick the phones up! Friendly Barracuda!
I'll take this.
Where is it? Andrew!
Bye.
Right here. Right here. Whirlwind. Let's go. That's what we're trying to go to.
What? Ow. Wait, what if I use this guy?
Vaccine. Oh, crap. I'm lifting the sword in the air. I'm at the boat.
This is
Oh,
a.
shoot.
I got the high ground.
No, like a different
I got
boat.
the high ground.
It's a battle boat.
Your butt.
If I made it over there, I would
Ha! I got it.
Now you're that
What is that?
You know the top of the ship? Whoa! So close.
Whoa.
that was close.
Hold on, wait, can I friend you on that?
Some food.
Sure.
Bro, how do
Oh
you
my
turn
God.
this thing on?
I can basically bite my dick.
How do you turn this thing on?
I made it though.
Where do you turn it? Food?
If I made it over
There's
there,
not
I
even
would give you.
food.
Over there?
Why floating?
Let's cook. Let's cook, chat.
Hello.
Ah.
Here, I'm gonna go the way we'll do you.
Oh yeah. Oh,
It's good.
what does it say up here?
Oh, it was too far.
What does that say?
That in the.
Dragon.
Okay.
Go
Is it
time.
mushroom?
What that
That's
place
nice.
is.
yes, I'm down.
Whoa!
Everyone,
Oh, I taste blood.
Wait,
I taste blood.
I'm gonna get it all the way over there. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Here. You whip out your paws. Whip out your
what
paws.
is the secret
Come on,
hangout?
like, your claws. Come on. Claws.
Really?
We gonna chill. What is this?
You're the guy I've been chasing. Wait, no. Never mind. I was chasing some guy with
I'll save you.
the same. Oh my. No. It's going on.
A guy on the chandelier. Oh, flip.
Do a flip.
Wait, it makes a kinetic
I know
force.
the flip.
Kinetic force. Do a flip.
Button.
Kinetic force. No pressing the button now. We need red.
This is
red,
pointy.
red, red. Ah!
Rocket.
Where are you?
It didn't float.
Oh my god, bro.
No. What?
La 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 la.
Bye.
Help me.
Another day being
No, what?
Wait, stop.
I want to talk. I don't need to. I just want to talk.
Ooh, that's stinky.
What do you want?
my eyes.
You. Put your hands up.
Meow.
Put your hands up.
He lives in a Krusty Krab under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Put your hands up. This is a robbery.
You suck at parkour.
No.
This is a robbery.
Guys, someone's trying to rob me. Help me.
Jump off the map.
Get away.
You.
Get away.
Put in a pineapple under the sea.
SpongeBob SquarePants. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
Happy.
No.
Oh, if I flip this over, I would get coming. Okay.
Boom.
Pineapple
So
hat.
Subscribe.
It's stuck in ice.
You. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Everyone,
Happy and
come
you
to
know,
the
clap your
fighting zone.
He's not clapping. No. What is that?
In like 10 seconds.
I see a bug.
We're gonna fight.
I saw a bug
I'm gonna go practice, and you guys wait.
right there. I saw.
Okay, everyone?
Yo, I see a bug. All the way down there.
Yes, guys, I'm okay.
You'll see it right there. No.
Not yet.
Oh, this will be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye.